Hey, what is going on everyone? This is iReviews back with another video, and today we're talking about whether you should use or not your iPhone while you're still charging it. So I've seen a lot of people ask this question, and a lot of people are confused whether that will damage their iPhone or their battery at all. So whether you should use your iPhone while it's still charging or not. So let's talk about it. We'll focus on a few things that might be like negative when you're doing that, and of course then a conclusion whether it's safe to do that or not. So what can happen is your iPhone will heat up while you're charging it and still using it at the same time. You probably have experienced that. If you have used your iPhone while it has been on a charger, it will heat up. Now you can see this like notification here. You will get this on your iPhone when it's heated up too much. So if you expose it to like very hot weather or very hot temperatures, you will see this notification here, which won't allow you to use your iPhone because it's heated up too much, and you will have to wait for it to cool down. Now I have used my iPhone while charging it a lot. It has heated up a lot sometimes, but I've never seen this when charging my iPhone and still using it. So basically I don't believe that the iPhone will heat up at that like amount that you won't be able to use it, or it will damage your iPhone. Now of course I've seen some reports that claiming that the iPhone, when it's heated up too much, will like damage the internals of the iPhone. I don't really believe that's the case when charging your iPhone and also using it at the same time. Of course, if you're doing it the right way. And the right way is always to use certified cables, or basically Apple cables chargers. And of course, take a look at the battery. If you're replacing it, make sure you're replacing it the right way. Don't put any like third-party batteries on your iPhones, because then that might be dangerous when you're charging your iPhone and using it at the same time, or basically even just charging it with fake cables, very cheap ones, or having like a fake battery on your iPhone. That will be very dangerous. Otherwise, when charging your iPhone, you can still use it. It won't be dangerous at all, and nothing bad will happen to your iPhone. Now, of course, there are some negative sides. The battery, of course, will charge slower as you're using it at the same time as you're charging it, but otherwise nothing is likely to happen bad to your iPhone. Like we've seen reports for like explosions and stuff like that. I don't think that will happen again, as long as you're charging your iPhone with an Apple cable, the cable that came with the box on with your iPhone on the box, or a cable that's certified from Apple. And of course you have the battery on your iPhone not replaced on any like third-party services or that stuff, then it's okay. You can use your iPhone for as long as you want, even though it's still charging. Again, the only negative thing that I can think is that it will charge slower, of course, because it's consuming battery and charging it at the same time, but otherwise it is totally okay to use your iPhone while you still have it on the charger. Even make a phone call and all that, performing heavy tasks. Of course, it will heat up your iPhone a bit, but nothing bad will happen from that. So that's basically it for this video, guys. A short one here talking about this topic that I've seen a lot of people asking about on the internet, and here it is. I've done some research and I couldn't find any case somewhere that says that, or that facts that using your iPhone while still charging it, it's bad and something bad can happen maybe to you, to your iPhone, or to the battery of the iPhone. So that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I'll see you on the next one.